I repeat, no part of South lands will be added to the Biafran agenda. Niger Delta isn't Biafra. This post was made on Twitter by a person called Olorogun Jesurukewe. The person that made this post is an Urobo person from Delta State. This is the map of South states. Look at it here. It said South is the United States of Niger Delta. Niger Delta are crude oil producing states. Delta State is Niger Delta. Bayelsa State is Niger Delta. Imo State is Niger Delta. Abia State is Niger Delta. Cross River State is Niger Delta. River State is Niger Delta. Akwa Ibom State is Niger Delta. Edo State is Niger Delta. All those people that think that it's only South states that are Niger Delta, they don't know the meaning of Niger Delta. There is nothing like Niger Delta agenda because we are not the same people with those people that call themselves Niger Delta. And this person is here saying no part of Niger Delta will be added to Biafra agenda. Niger Delta are not one people. This Niger Delta where they see so. No be one people there be. That name Niger Delta is for oil producing states. We are Nyoma people in this South. We want to join Southeast to be with our brothers, people we speak the same language, culture and tradition with, people that we are the same with them in all angles of life. But because of our so-called pepper body, now make this Urobo boy we not get sense, we not go ever get sense, and we this is nothing go ever make and get sense. Come online, they talk rubbish, say no part of Niger Delta will join Biafra agenda. For its information, the Igbo unification movement is not a Biafra agenda. The Igbo unification movement is an Igbo nation agenda. All these people they do South movements, Niger Delta movements cannot stop Anyoma state not to join the Southeast. So if they do Niger Delta movement, Niger Delta Republic, don't even think of adding Anyoma people to it because we Anyoma people will sabotage it. You people cannot sabotage the zoning of Anyoma state to the Southeast because Anyoma is Igbo land and territory. But we Anyoma people, we can sabotage your South Republic movement. We can sabotage your Niger Delta Republic movement. We go sabotage them. Any movement for this South where they against Southeast, we Anyama people will sabotage it. We must sabotage it. So stop thinking that all this your Niger Delta movement will work. It will never work. We the people of South are not the same people. Benin people have their own agenda in this your South movement. Benin people want the entire tribes in the South to be under the Oba of Benin. Benin people will tell you that the whole land in West Africa belongs to the Oba of Benin. They will tell you that Anyama land belongs to Benin Kingdom. Bayelsa State belongs to Benin Kingdom. River State belongs to Benin Kingdom. Lagos State belongs to Benin Kingdom. Ondo State belongs to Benin Kingdom. Ile-Ife belongs to Benin Kingdom. Now then get the whole world. So what thing they make these people when not get sense where they do South something, Niger Delta something? What thing they make that they feel say Benin people go see them as one people. Benin wants to conquer you, to keep you under them. Benin people want that their failed empire to come back into existence. Benin people only care about Benin Empire. That's why they are saying that Eka, Okwa, Oshimiri, Aniocha, and the entire West Africa are part of Benin Empire. That is what they are saying. And this mumu from Urobo went on to say in the past, say Benin people they use Urobo people for slavery and sacrifice. Say Benin people they use Anyama people for slavery and sacrifice. The mumu still they talk say we want to do South something. in case if Nigeria break up, make we, the Niger Delta people, become one country. Make we, South people, become one country also. Why? You think say it go work? It will never work. Because we are not one people since our history. Ijaw people in Bayelsa State, they don't have the same agenda with we and Yoma people. Ijaw people don't have the same agenda with Ikwere, Oba, Ekpeye, Ndoni, Eche, and Opobo people. The indigenous Igbos in Rivers State, they don't get the same agenda with Ijaw people. Ikwere people, they don't say Ijaw people, they expand, enter their land. Say make Ijaw people stop to the claim, say, now then get Ikwere land. The way Ijaw people are saying that they own Egbema in Imo State, they own Oguta in Imo State, people that they don't speak the same language with them, they are trying to expand into other people's territory. Now there they do Niger Delta agenda, South agenda. Even for this Delta State where we do so, how good is Urobo people and we and Yoma people? Urobo people are saying that we and Yoma people are not true Deltans. They always say that Delta State belongs to Urobo people. They are calling we and Yoma people that are aboriginal in this Delta State. We and Yoma people that have occupied this territory before they, Urobo people, came from Benin Kingdom. And they started saying that we and Yoma people were they older for this land before them come. Say we the migrants. So many of them are saying it. Tell me Urobo community we don't reach 800 years for their location. The oldest Urbanisoko community came to their settlement in the 1400s. No Urobo community don't date that their land for 1,000 years. No Urobo community. All of them are claiming that they are descendants of one Oba of Benin. They are descendants of this, that they came during the 1500s, that they came during the 1700s, that they came during the 1600s. Ubuluku community have been in existence for more than 1,000 years old. Some communities in Ukwane have been in their location for more than 1,000 years old. Communities like Iseluku have been in that their settlements for more than 1,000 years old. Communities like Ibuzo have been in their current location for more than 1,000 years old. Yet, Urobo people are saying that we and Yoma people are migrants, that they are the ones that own Delta states. So, how you think say all of us go feed day for Sasa where we say we don't reason the same, we don't have the same agenda? During the Biafra War, when Anyama people are being killed by the Nigerian army, Ukwane people that ran into Urobo land, Urobo people were killing them. Ukwane people that ran into Isoko land, Isoko people were killing them. Ukwane people that ran into Bini land, Bini people were killing them, calling them Owibo, Owibo. Urobanisoko people were calling Ukwane people Omo Igbo, killing them. Ika people that ran into Urobo and Isoko land, Urobanisoko people were killing them. Ibanke people are always saying this thing that during the Biafra war, that Ibanke people that ran into Bini land, that Bini people were killing them. Go meet Ibanke elders, ask them. And they will tell you this same thing that I'm telling you. Go meet Ika people, ask them this same thing. Meet Ukwane people, ask them this same thing. And Ukwane elder told me that Ukwane people that were in camps in Benin Kingdom, that Benin people are telling Nigerian army that there are Igbo people in those camps. Go that place, you will get them. Benin person they thought that you know say the Ukwane person where they around that place for the shop where Benin people they discuss say for night they go carry Nigerian army go invade all those Igbo people where they for that place. Say Igbo people they stay for that camp. They do farm work. As they talk, I mean, no say Ukwane person they around that place. You know say the Ukwane person they hear Benin language. You don't even know say that person na Igbo person. As they talk and finish for where they drink, now that Ukwane person run go the camp. They tell Ukwane people where they say, see waiting Benin people discuss. So they say for night they go carry Nigerian army come bomb this place. So make we the park. Those Ukwane people left that place. They went deep inside the bush. That and bush there now. They went deep inside the bush and hid themselves there. For night, Benin people and Nigerian army come. They started shooting the entire mud house there. Then I even asked which people they here. They started shooting at the entire houses, putting fire in those houses, throwing hand grenade there. They set the entire camp on fire. Now Benin people tell Nigerian army say Igbo people they there, and those Igbo people now Ukwane people. Now one elderly man from Ukwane land they tell me this story. And today, one idiot from Uroboland, Isokoland, and Benin will be telling we and Nema people that all of us are Niger Delta Republic, that all of us are Sasa Republic. Fools! We are not one people from the beginning. So, how you think, say, if we are Nema people come there from our South, say, we go get the same mindset, the same agenda. Benin people, they want to restore their field empire. Urobo people, they see us, say, we not be one people with them. During the war, Urobo and Isoko people killed us. You are still saying that we are one people. How? You are who won't function for that your South. South Republic is a failed agenda. Niger Delta Republic is a failed agenda. Which politician they for Senate, House of Reps, for federal level, they agitate for that Niger Delta Republic when we ever work? It's just online backing and noise making now na sabi. It will never come to pass. People that don't have sense, they include Anyama people for your failed Niger Delta Republic. Who tell you say the indigenous Igbos in River State, Ikwere and others? Who tell you say they be part of your Niger Delta Republic? Even as Ikwere people, they thought say they not be Igbo people. They still know say them and not be brothers. Ikwere people, they thought say they not be Igbo. Now internal issue where we Igbo people go solve, and we are solving it through the Igbo unification movement. No part of Igbo land will be added to all this South agenda and Niger Delta agenda. No part of Igbo land will be added to it. Just coming online to spread a propaganda that we never yield any fruit. No part of South will be added to Biafra agenda. Oh, why is this Ozwai too full this online? Now Twitter you go just see people they talk rubbish. We that are agitated for Anyama State, we they go Senate, we they go House of Reps. We they meet with senators talking on the way forward to actualize Anyama State. And person where be say now just Twitter in back in end come online they talk rubbish. All this cheap propaganda and campaign that people are doing is a waste of time. Some people not agree say them and Benin people are one people. They keep telling Benin people to stay on their own, let them stay on their own. Benin people that say they want Benin State. Some people they say they want Esa State. Igbo people get their own agenda. We are Nema people, we get our own agenda. And also somewhere saying South movement. See, let me tell you something. No movement where you go do for this country where we say include different tribes, make that movement succeed. It will never succeed. It's a fact. The only movement that will succeed in this country is movements that consist of a single tribe alone. Like we Igbo nation now, if we get any movement and agenda, we go do am in unity. We will actualize that thing. We will achieve that thing. But say you want to do movement, maybe say Bini people, Urobo people, Isoko people, Ijaw people, Calabar people, Ibibio people, Efik people, make gonna come together actualize and it will never work. Get that into your brains. Anyama does not belong to Bini people. It does not belong to Urobo people. It does not belong to Isoko people. So how when I want to take force us to remain for South? This is the reason why so many of all these idiots, animal and human form, are agitating for Anyama State to remain in South. They are not from Anyama. They are in another state in the South. They hate Anyama people. They don't like Anyama people. But they want Anyama to remain in the South because of the hate they have for the Southeast. They don't want to make Anyama people that are Igbo people to join the Southeast. They want Igbo nation to be a minority like them. They are happy that Igbo nation is being divided, but they will fail because the Igbo unification movement is here to unite Igbo people. No agenda. Nobody can stop it. Any tribe in the South that is a minority, just maintain that your minority status. Because if you feel say now to divide Igbo nation with social media propaganda campaign, you are just wasting your data. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your energy. You are wasting your resources. Igbo unification movement is a divine mandate. And that is why we are consistent. You won't form alliance with people where you hate. People where you not like. People where you marginalize. Now you get mouth. They talk with that your dirty mouth. Say no part of South will be added to Biafra agenda. Okpe people there they talk say Okpe is not Urobo. We don't speak the same language. Okpe people are saying it. That they don't have the same migration history with Urobo people. That they are very different from Urobo people. Yet, so many Urobo people are saying that Okpe is Urobo. That they are one people. That they are this. That they are that. Isoko people are also saying that Isoko people are not Urhobo people, that they are different people, make everybody dey their day. Yet Urhobo people dey talk say Isoko people are our brothers, they are Urhobo people. Instead of you people to focus on your unity, some of them are busy saying that Anyanwa people are not Igbo people, that Anyanwa state should remain in the south. Minorities want Igbo nation to be a minority like them, but they will fail. They will cry. They will ignite their teeth in pain. Tears go come up from their nose. Heat go do them for teeth. They will cry. They will regret their life. No worry. They will cry. You cannot divide Igbo nation. Igbo unity is here to stay. And nobody from any tribe in the south or other part of the country can stop Ndigbo from uniting. Sasa Republic movement is dead on arrival. It's dead and buried. Niger Delta Republic movement is dead and buried. Nowhere where they go. Igbo bofu and nobody can divide us. Ishiegwale.